Assalamu alaikum students. This is Hafsa, your science teacher. Today we will discuss unit number 7 and the topic is movement. Students, learning objectives of this lesson are: learn about the force, understand push and pull, and learn about the machines that help us to move things. Dear students, our world is full of moving things. You and the things around you can move all the time. We use force when we move something. Students, what is force? Force is a push or a pull of an object that causes the object to speed up, slow down, or stay in one place. Students, please look at this picture. Everyone is pushing or pulling in this picture. So let's see what is push and pull. Push is a force that we use to move something away from us. And pull is a force that we use to drag something towards us. Students, living things can move on their own. People and animals move in different ways. But non-living things cannot move on their own. These things move when we push or pull them. Machines help us to move things. Students, please pause the video and solve this exercise, that how do these living things move. Students, if you have any question regarding this lesson, you can send me an email on this email address. I'll catch you guys in the next lecture. Till then, take care.